everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting new product to share with you all, introducing our new Lashfolio Narrow Promade Fans. So if you want to learn more about this product and you want to see the application process, then please keep watching. Let's talk a little bit about more the Lashfolio Promade Fans. The closer fans deliver high volume and definition. They're easy to pick up. Since the tips are so narrow, the application goes a lot more smoother. The Lashfolio compared to the XL tray is a lot more smaller, it's easier to store and make your station a lot more neat and organized. You can mix the Lashfolio Promade Fan with any of other collections to make your lash set more fuller and denser. Each of these little boxes contain about 480 fans, up to 520 fans per box. The available curls are C, CC, D, and the length goes from 0.3, 0.5, and 0.7. Each box comes in single lengths, or you can choose a mixed tray.
Clean the lashes properly prior to the application. Apply the lash pads to isolate the lower lashes from the upper lashes. Place a tape on the lid to lift the lashes if necessary. Prime the lashes with a primer to balance the pH on the natural lashes so the glue can adhere properly. Take the Lashfolio lashes from the case and place the desired lengths on the lash tray. Take your preferred glue and give it a good shake before using it. When taking the lashes from the strip, hold it from the base, pull the lash upward, and put it again on the strip to get a better grip. Dip the fan on the glue and repeat. Once all the set is finished, dry them properly and apply nano bonder to help with the retention. And voila, a beautiful set is just done.
Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions about how to use the Lashfolio Narrow Promade Fans, leave us a comment down below. You can purchase the Lashfolio in our website at lbaprofessional.com. The link will be in the description box. See you next time!